Hey Best Nation, today we're covering something super important, how to find the correct blockchain address in your Best wallet. This may sound confusing, but simply put, every wallet you have in Best Wallet will have several different addresses, one for each blockchain. Alright, so let's break it down. So each blockchain generally has its own addresses. This is because they use different technologies to run their networks, resulting in different address formulas. For example, your wallet's Bitcoin address will be different from your wallet's Ethereum address, and it's important to not mix them up. Each wallet in Best Wallet will have a number of different blockchain addresses tied to it, but they all belong to the same unifying wallet. For an EVM-only wallet, this is a little different because they all use the Ethereum virtual machine. That means this wallet is shared across Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, and Polygon. However, any multi-chain wallets will also have blockchains like Bitcoin that don't use EVM and therefore will have different addresses. It's important to use the right address when sending or receiving funds to ensure a successful transaction. Finding the right address in Best Wallet is easy. First, scroll to the right wallet and tap Receive. You can search for an address via token or via blockchain. It's often easier to find via blockchain because some tokens, like USDT, exist on multiple blockchains, meaning you could get the wrong address. Next, select the blockchain you want to find the address for. You'll see the wallet address at the bottom with the options to copy it. You'll also see the wallet's QR code, which you can also share. It's important to get the right address for the type of deposit or transfer you're making. If you send crypto to the wrong blockchain address, your deposit wouldn't arrive. For example, sending Bitcoin to an Ethereum address wouldn't work and could result in wasted gas fees and lost funds. Always double check that you're using the correct blockchain before making a deposit. We recommend making small test deposits to familiarize yourself with the process before moving large amounts. And that's it. Now you know how to find the right address and why it's so important. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.